Pagdating sa negosyo, tandaan mo to. Collect the fastest, but pay the slowest. This is a basic principle of cash flow management na madalas makalimutan ng maraming business owners. Akala nila disadvantage ang may utang kaya agad nagbabayad sa supplier. Hindi nakikipag-negotiate ng payment terms kaya labas ng pera. Ang malala, pagdating sa customer, hiyang-hiya naman maningil, lalo na if takot na mairita yung kliyente at baka hindi na umorder ulit. But if you really want to make your business grow and thrive, kailangan baliktad. Pay the slowest. Pakipag-negotiate ng payment terms sa supplier para lalabas pa lang yung pera sa'yo after 30, 40, or even 60 days. Kung ayaw ng supplier, hanap ka ng iba. And then, collect the fastest. Make it easy for the customers to pay you through different payment channels o kung may option ka for auto-debit, much better. Ang susi dito, strategic monitoring of your payables and receivables using real-time accounting systems like Xero, One Accounting, and Zoho Books. Kung tama ang strategy mo pagdating sa payables and collection, mas healthy ang negosyo at mas gaganda pa ang relationship mo with your customers and your suppliers. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.